locked out of your Android or stuck on an FAQ screen. Many users face this, and choosing the right unlock tool can be confusing. In this video, review iToolab UnlockGo Android, its features, performance, pricing, and drawbacks to help you decide if it's worth using. Part 1, iToolab UnlockGo Android, Core Features. Part 2, is it safe to use iToolab UnlockGo Android? How to use. Launch UnlockGo Android on your computer and choose Unlock Screen Lock. Connect your Android with a USB cable. Select your phone brand, then click Unlock. Follow the on-screen steps to enter recovery mode, then continue with the prompts. When the process finishes, your phone restarts and you can set a new unlock method. Part 3, iToolab UnlockGo Android, Pricing and Cons. UnlockGo Android has 4 plans. 1 device plan, $14.95 month. 1 month plan, $29.95. 1 year plan, $39.95. Lifetime plan, $49.95 for up to 5 devices and 1 PC. Cons. Inconsistent on some devices. Risk of data loss. Limited trial. Pricey. PC required. Some slow operations. Not all models supported. Legal or ethical issues. Part 4. What if iToolab UnlockGo Android doesn't work? Symptom 1. Device not detected. Enable USB debugging settings about phone tap build number 7 developer options. Try a different USB cable port. Restart PC and phone. Symptom 2. Unlock fails stuck. Check device and Android version compatibility. Disable antivirus or firewall temporarily. Reboot PC and phone, then retry. Symptom 3. FAQ bypass fails. Confirm your phone supports FAQ bypass. Ensure a stable internet connection. Update UnlockGo to the latest version. Symptom 4. Data loss concerns or unexpected erasure. Solution 4. Backup your data using Google Drive or Mobican Backup Manager for Android before unlocking. Follow the software instructions carefully and avoid interrupting the process. Part 5. FAQs about iToolab UnlockGo Android. Q1. Will UnlockGo erase data? Data loss is possible, especially with FAQ or lock bypass. Some Samsung models unlock without loss. Backup first. Q2. Can it bypass FAQ on all devices? No. Success depends on device model and Android version. Q3. How long to unlock? Varies by device and Android version. Usually a few minutes. Q4. Can it recover data? No. UnlockGo focuses on unlocking. Use Android data recovery for lost data. Part 6. Best alternative to iToolab UnlockGo Android. iToolab UnlockGo can remove locks but may fail, risk data loss, and has limited support. Android Lock Wiper is more reliable, compatible, and easier to use. Step 1. Start by downloading and installing Android Lock Wiper on your PC. If you own a Samsung device, select Remove Without Data Loss, and follow the on-screen instructions to continue. For devices from other brands, opt for Remove Screen Lock and click Start. Step 2. Link your device to the computer using a USB cable. The software will automatically detect your device's information. Verify that the display details are correct. If there are any discrepancies, you can manually adjust the information before proceeding by clicking Start to unlock. Step 3. The product will download and transfer the necessary data package to your device. After this, please adhere to the on-screen instructions to reset your device. Step 4. The unlocking process will begin. It is crucial to keep your phone connected throughout this operation. Once finished, you will successfully remove the passcode from your device. Editor's note: